Hello everyone, welcome to Beethosol, the trust of Korea. Through this video, we will take you through the features of interactive display. It comes with 3.2 mm toughened glass and 15 watt speaker. On top you can see 8 megapixel camera with 8 mics to cover larger areas. It has Android 11 and comes with a storage of 32 GB and a RAM of 4 GB. As you can see, there are two 3.0 ports and one Type-C port. On the screen, you can see three apps, that is S-Write, Screen Transmission and File Manager. Let's start with S-Write app. To operate the display, you can use your finger or stylus. Once you tap on the menu bar, you will find 5 options: Brush, Import Note, Save, Background Setting and Exit. With the help of the brush menu, you can change the font style. With the help of Import Note, you can directly insert whiteboard file through local disk. Through Save option, you can save your file in local disk or cloud in 3 different formats, that is IWB, PDF and PNG. With the help of the background setting, you can change your display background to solid color, pattern background, or you can select an image from the local disk. Or you can directly exit from here. You can share your file through QR code, where you can scan the code directly from your mobile phone, or you can share your files through email. To switch the menu bar from left to right, you can simply click on the switch option. With the help of the plus icon, you can add multiple pages to your file. If you wish to delete any particular file, you can select a page and delete. If you wish to delete multiple pages at the same time, click on select all and delete. Now let's come to the pen option, where you will find different options for writing. The first option is pen. Here, you'll also find an option to increase the thickness or reduce the thickness as per your liking, and also you can change the color as per your need. The second option is the highlighter. Here also you can increase the thickness as per your liking. This is used to highlight any text. The next option is the paint option. Even here you get an option of increasing or decreasing the thickness as per your liking, or you can select any color as per your choice. The next option is the paint option. Even here you have the option of increasing the thickness or decreasing the thickness as per your liking, or selecting the color as per your need. In the next option, you can use the stylus from both ends. The main purpose of this function is to select 2 colors at the same time. In the next option, you can use one side of the stylus as a pen and the other side as an eraser. The next option helps to convert a casual writing into a proper font. The next option helps to convert an improper shape to a perfect shape. To clear the screen, you can use your palm as an eraser, or you can simply use the erase option, where you just need to slide to clear the screen. In the touch function, there are 2 options: single point mode and multi-point mode. In the single point mode, only one touch can be done at the same time, and in the multi-point mode, multiple touches can be done at the same time. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can select the single point mode. And there you go. With the help of the select function, you can select any content. And now you can make multiple copies of it. And if you wish to browse anything from the internet, you can directly do it from the search function. It is that simple. And if you wish to delete any content, you can directly delete it from here. Next we have is the mathematical icon, under which we have different mathematical tools like the ruler, with the help of which you can draw a line. You can even rotate that, or you can drag the ruler. Next, we have the compass, with the help of which you can draw a circle. Next, we have the protractor, where you can draw different angles. Under the protractor, we have three different functions. First is to draw the angle. Second is to draw the curve, and with the help of the third function, you can fill the angle. In the next icon, we have different types of figures. 2D figures, 3D figures, and lattice. Next, we have the table icon, where you can select the number of rows and columns and create a table. You can write inside the blocks, and the table will adjust as per the size of the content, or you can manually adjust the size of the table. Next, we have the toolbox with some extra features. Here, you can insert the image from the local disk to the screen. You can write on the screen, or you can draw there. You can rotate the image and drag it, and then you can select it and delete it. You can also insert video from the local disk to the screen. Now play it. You can also drag it by selecting it. And if you want to delete, select the delete button. To insert a PDF from the local disk to the screen, select Insert PDF, go to Documents, select PDF, Insert, and you can see the page on the screen. You can read all the pages over here. And if you wish to write anything or highlight, take a screenshot of the page, select it, drag it. If you wish to zoom in and zoom out, you can do this. To write anything, select a pen. You can draw. To highlight any sentence, you can use the highlighter. To drag it, you can use select, and you can rotate the page. And if you wish to delete, you can select the delete button. If you wish to search anything from the browser, you can do it directly from the search button. Let's search for heart. You can select the image and drag it to the screen. If you wish to zoom in and zoom out, select the image. If you wish to write anything, select the pen. If you wish to highlight, select the highlight button. You can also rotate the image or delete it. You can also play videos directly from the browser. play the video. You can also drag the video or delete it. The next feature is the mind map. Here, you can add more branches by clicking on the plus sign. You can write inside the block by clicking on the pen. You can select the correct spelling. If you wish to delete any branch, you can click on the minus sign. The next feature is the flowchart. Here, you can draw the flowchart with the figures that is given. The next feature is the split screen, where you can work on 6 different screens at the same time. You can slide to clean. The next tab on the device is the screen transmission or the screen projection. Through screen projection, you can screencast Apple device, Android device and your PC device. For Apple, you can cast your screen through AirPlay. For Android device, you first need to scan the QR code where you will get a pop-up to download the KShare app. You can screencast your device through the KShare app. For PC device, as you can see, there is a link given. You can download the KShare app through the link and follow the same procedure to screencast your device. Now let me show you how to screencast an Apple device on the screen. Now you can see my display on the screen. You can mirrorcast maximum of 9 screens at the same time. The next app on the device is the File Manager. Here you can store all your files in the local storage. You can store images, files, videos and third-party apps. To create any new folder, just click on plus sign, name the folder and confirm it. This is very user friendly. You can also copy a file from any folder and paste it to any different folder. The next inbuilt browser in the interactive display is the Chrome and Firefox, which you can use to browse anything as per your liking. It also has an inbuilt Play Store where you can download any app or also download any OTT apps and enjoy. The next is the WPS Office, where you can open and create Word file, presentation, spreadsheet and PDF file just like your PC. The next inbuilt feature is the cloud, where you can store your files either in Google Drive or OneDrive. You can also use the NFC feature to add or delete your NFC card by pairing your card over here. The next feature is the camera, which you can use to click pictures or record videos. You can also use the screen reversal feature. The camera can also be used for video calls. Now let me show you how to connect to a video call. Go to Play Store, search for Zoom. Let's install the app. Let's open the app. And then you can join the meeting by feeding the meeting ID. There is also an inbuilt user manual, which you can go through and understand how to operate the interactive display. You can also connect your interactive display with your email ID. With the Welcome Page app, you can create your own welcome page by selecting any of the given templates, or you can create your own welcome page by selecting any of the images. You can also make changes to the given template. You can also go back to the welcome page directly by just swiping right. The next built-in app is the Beethosol app. Through this app, you can control your device remotely. You just need to build your account in the Beethosol app. The stylus is magnetic, which is attached to the frame of the interactive display. When you detach the stylus, two software pops up through which you can directly switch to the S-Write app or the annotation. Now let's go to the sidebar menu. First, we have the back icon. Second, we have the home icon. With the help of the home icon, you can go from any app or page to the home page directly by just clicking on the home icon. The next is the source icon, where you can control all the given sources. The next icon is the half screen mode, with the help of which you can switch from a full screen to a half screen and go back to a full screen by clicking on this icon. Next icon is the utilities, where you will find different utilities. You can increase or decrease your volume from here, or increase the brightness or decrease the brightness from here. The first icon is the back counting. Here you can write or give any name to it, save it. Now let's change the date to 28 November and generate. Here you can see that 4 days are left for November 28. The next utility is the eye protection, which controls the brightness to protect your eyes. The next icon is the calculator, which you can use to do any calculation. The next icon is for votes. Now let's generate a vote. Let's select a topic, captain. Let's put our options, A, B. Let's create another option as C. Now let's release the vote. To participate in the vote, you need to scan the QR code. As you can see, we have received the vote of one person. Let's view the results. The vote has been given to option B. The next icon is the screenshot. Here, you can crop the image as per your requirement and click on OK. Your screenshot will be directly captured in the file manager. The next icon is short, which is used for screen recording. Here you get different options for recording the screen. Let's select system audio. Let's start recording. The recording has started. Let's stop. The recording will automatically be saved in the file manager. The next utility is stopwatch, where you get stopwatch and timer. The next icon is the touch lock, with the help of which you can lock the screen. As you can see, I cannot open any of the apps now. To unlock the screen, you need to touch the unlock icon. The screen has been unlocked and now I can open any of the files. The next icon is spotlight. This can be used to focus on any area of the content. You can even increase or decrease the size of it. To exit the spotlight, just click here. The next icon is the touch sound, which is used to on and off the touch sound. The next is the system settings, under which you have network settings. This is to connect your device through wireless, Ethernet, or create hotspot, or connect your device through Bluetooth. Second is to manage your device, audio input, USB camera or active pen. The third is wallpaper. Here you can change the wallpaper or add your own new wallpaper. The next is date and time, where you can change the date and time as per your location. Next icon is language icon, where you can select any of the preferred languages. The next is select input method, where you can select the keyboard input. The next is the power settings. Here you can select the power on mode for your device. It has different options. The next is screen off and standby. Here you can select the time for standby. And the next, you can set an alarm for your screen. The next icon is security, where you can set password for your interactive display. The first is close password, the second is pattern password, the third is digital password, and the fourth is NFC password. The next icon is more settings, where you can enable and disable your remote lock. The next icon is about, where you will find all information about your interactive display. The next icon is the annotation icon. Once you click on that, you will see many tools appear on the screen. The first icon is the pen icon. You can write on the screen with the help of this. Let's select any color. Next icon is the eraser. Just slide to clear the screen. The next icon is select. With the help of this, you can control the screen. The next icon is a screenshot. You can take screenshot with the help of this icon. Let's save this file. Once you save this file, it goes directly in the S-Write app. Let's go back to annotation. The next icon is the QR code. With the help of the QR code, you can scan and save files directly in your device. The next option is Save File. Here you can save all files to the file manager. And the next option is Exit. The next icon is the background processing, where you can clear all running apps which are running in the background one by one, or you can clear all apps at one go by clicking one-click clearing. The interactive display has two USB 3.0 and one Type-C port on the front, and on the back panel we have one USB 2.0, two USB 3.0, one Type-C, two HDMI in, 3 touch USB and 1 DP. And on the bottom there is one SPDIF, one audio out, one HDMI out, one mic in, one RS-232, two LAN, one VGA and one audio in. The interactive display also has an option of OPS. And on the left side of the screen, you have a screen on and off button. From the source icon, you can switch to the active source. From the power icon, you can shut down the whole device.
Gangnam Street Retail LLP is the company behind Beethosol, is a breakthrough technology company with a strong design, conceptualization and manufacturing credentials for the last 20 plus years. Beethosol's technology design, conceptualization and product research is carried out in South Korea and Japan. Quality is central to the design philosophy of Gangnam Street Retail LLP and Beethosol. The company is focused on customers' delight. Based on its high-tech technologies, Gangnam Street is leading the global market with the products such as refrigerators, washing machines, kitchen appliances and water ionizers.